Infinite void. Please don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel. Thank you. Hi there, this is a fitness team tracker in Google Sheets. I'm usually dabbling in Google Sheets, making many things such as trackers, reports, making data in a visual way through Google Sheets, and etc. This tracker was designed for work. I've made similar trackers in the past, so this was easy to develop. I thought I should share this to the internet as some may find it useful or could incorporate it into their teams. So let me dive into the use case. So just to analyze this spreadsheet right now, as you can see, it's based on months. It also shows the entire year. So if you scroll all the way to the right, you see that it ends to December. So you can track everything from a year, all your habits of tracking your fitness. So this was specifically designed for fitness in this scenario. So I've written a team goal above right here, and it says spending a minimum of 30 minutes on a continuous physical activity per day. Goals will be based per month. So as you can see, there's months right here. So January, February. Then when I scroll to the right earlier, you can see it goes all the way to December. So this is showing everything from a year. And I've also designed it so that you can edit the goal. So all you just have to do is just go into the cell and then you just edit it to whatever you want. So I'm just gonna put test and just edit, so you can see that you can change the goal. It's editable, and the year can be changed too, but today this year is 2023, so I put 2023 here, but you can update that every time as you manipulate the spreadsheets. There's also a column called team members, so right here, so name 1, name 2, name 3, so you can also edit these two and put the people's names in there. So I'll put my name in there, so my name is Kim, and then I can put another person's name in there, so maybe Jessica as an example. And then I also want to, before we continue on too, I also want to show you another feature in this Google Sheets, where I've also created groupings, so you can also collapse each month as you go, so you can keep everything clean and visualize it in a clean way. So what I'll show you is right here. So when I click here, it closed January month. So once you complete January month, you can close it off and collapse it. And then if you click on the next collapsing button, it will close February and so on. So this is going to close March, and this is going to close April, and then this is going to collapse May, and etc. It can go all the way to December. So right there. And I just want to show you the details of that. So I'm just going to expand everything again. And I'm just going to zoom in so that you can actually see the spreadsheet much more clearly, because it was really tiny before, but I just wanted to show you all the details in a tiny visual set. But now, since we kind of went through everything, we can now focus on a month. So let's focus on January. So I've already placed my name in here as a team member. So Kim, and there's Jessica. And then there's another column here called progress bar. So this is going to visually display it in a graph bar, your progress. And this will visually display your progress in a percentage. Then this column here, goal, is what you input manually, what you want to achieve within that month. So let's put 10 here, and let's put 5 down there. And then in this column done, that is a section where it pre-populates all your checked off on each day. So if you check off something, it'll automatically pre-populate the number for you. So as you can see, as I entered these fields in, the progress bar got adjusted to halfway, because there's 5 that's been selected as done. Right here it says done 5, and the progress percentage is 50% because we've completed 5 tasks within the month. Then another example is using Jessica, for example. So if I click here and here, so she completed 3 out of 5. So that progress bar is 3 out of 5, and the progress percentage is 60%. So I hope that makes sense, and I hope you find this valuable. I've also shared the spreadsheet, so it's free to download. So to find the link to the spreadsheet, please check the description box. Thanks for watching.